Hey everyone, I'm Luca and welcome to our Market Structures project. Today our group is diving into one of the most competitive and influential industries in the world, online search engines. From Google to Bing to Yahoo, we'll explain how this industry functions, who dominates the market, and what the future looks like for these tech giants. Let's get started.
The online search engine industry powers how we access info every day. Over 90% of the global searches run through Google, followed by Bing and Yahoo. Each search engine operates by scanning millions of web pages using algorithms that rank content by relevance, user behavior, and revenue potential.
Google earns over $84 billion a quarter, mainly from advertising. Microsoft Bing makes about $3.2 billion a quarter. Yahoo, now similar, earns roughly $300 million quarterly from display ads and partnerships. Each firm uses similar processes, data indexing, machine learning algorithms, and ad auctions to match user intent with sponsored results. Google controls about 91% of the global market, giving it dominant pricing power and ad costs.
This industry is best classified as a non-colluding oligopoly. A few firms dominate, and while they compete for ad revenue and user base, they don't collude on prices. Barriers to entry are extremely high, making it almost impossible for new competitors to build the technology and data infrastructure needed to compete. Each company's pricing and innovations affect others, creating interdependence without collusion.
Here's our hand-drawn model for Google's short-run position. So the demand curve slopes downward, showing that to gain more users or ad clicks, Google must lower ad rates. And the profit maximizing quantity is where MC equals MR. So since Google is currently earning positive economic profits, the firm's price is above the average total cost. So the price is here and the total cost is down there.
In the long run, new firms can't easily enter because the technology, data collection, and AI infrastructure required are massive. Instead of entry or exit, what we see is innovation, competition. Improvements in AI search tools like Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot. Profits may slightly decrease as ad markets saturate, but the leading firms remain dominant.
This is our long run model, and you can see because new firms can't enter, Google maintains economic profit. The demand may shift slightly to the left, and this is because that gap will slowly shrink when competitors improve. But price P1 and Q1 will stay relatively stable, and this just shows how non-including oligopolies rely on brand power and brand trust rather than direct price competition.
So in summary, the search engine industry is non-colluding oligopoly. Google dominates with 90% market share. And lastly, high barriers protect existing firms and innovation drives future growth. Thank you for watching.